The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, welcome back to mathematics class. Let's begin with a quote.
Systematic way of attempting success is a plan.
So many children send me their notes and I am happy that all have tried to do your works systematically and promptly. I expect all of you do your works in the same way hereafter and be a good children. Okay?
Now, Nessa will be giving you a quick recap of what we learned in the previous class.
Hi friends, I'm Niza. Last class we learned two concepts about circles and I'm here to remind you those. In this circle, AB and CD are the chords and there is a relation between PE, PB, PC and PD. Here the chords of the circle intersects within the circle. So the products of the parts of the chords are equal. That is PE into PB is equal to PC into PD. In the next figure, AB is the diameter and CD is the perpendicular chord. We knew that PA into PB is equal to PC into PB. Since the perpendicular from the center of the circle bisects the chord, PD is equal to PC. So we can write PA into PB is equal to PC into PC. And that is PA into PB is equal to PC square. Thank you.
Thank you, Nessa. Shall we move on to the topic? Let's do a problem. In the figure, AB is the diameter, PC is perpendicular to AB, PC equal to 6 cm, PB equal to 3 cm. Find the radius of the semicircle. Okay, so here AB is the chord, PC is perpendicular to AB. So, in this question, given PC equal to 6 cm, PC equal to 6 cm and PB equal to 3 cm. PB equal to 3 cm. So here we have to find out the radius of the semicircle. Okay, so from this we can write PA into PB equal to PC square. PA into PB. PB equal to 3 cm equal to PC square. So 6 square. Okay, so PA into 3 equal to 36. Therefore, PA equal to 36 divided by 3. It is equal to 12. Therefore, PA equal to 12 centimeter. Then AB equal to AB equal to PA plus PB. Okay, so PA equal to 12 and PB equal to 3. So total 15. AB equal to 15 centimeter. AB is the diameter of this semicircle. So radius will be half of this. Okay, so radius equal to 15 by 2, which is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Radius equal to 7.5 centimeter. Okay. In the picture, a line through the center of a circle cuts a chord into two parts. What is the radius of the circle? So here we have to find out radius of the circle. Okay. So here O is the center of the circle and AB is the chord. Okay. Then we have to find out radius of the circle. How can we find out radius of the circle? So for that we have to extend O and P. Okay. extend O and P. Then we can read it as C and D. Okay, so O extended to D and P extended to C. Okay, now we have two chords AB and CD are the two chords. The two chords intersect at P. So we know that PA into PB equal to PC into PD. Okay, so the two chords intersect at a point inside the circle. The products of the parts will be equal. That is PA into PB equal to PC into PD. Okay, so what is OB? That is radius of the circle. Okay, so let OD equal to R. That is radius of the circle. Okay, then PA equal to 4 cm. That is given in the question. Okay, then PB equal to 6 cm. That also given. Okay, then we can substitute PA. So PA equal to 4 cm. So 4 into PB. PB equal to 6 equal to PC. P to C. That is O to C. That is OC equal to R. Radius. So PC equal to R minus 5. Okay. So R minus 5 into PD. PD equal to, that is P to D. That means here it is radius. So PD equal to R plus 5. PD equal to R plus 5. Okay. So 4 into 6, 24 equal to R minus 5 into R plus 5. That is R square minus 5 square. Okay. A minus B into A plus B form. That is A square minus B square. So 24 equal to R square minus 5 square. Okay. So 24 equal to R square minus 25. Okay. So R equal to, or R square equal to 24 plus 25. 24 plus 25. So which is equal to 49. Okay. So R equal to root 49, which is equal to 7. Okay. So radius equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore, radius equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. So here we have used PA into PB equal to PC into PD. Okay. Next theorem. If the chords of a circle intersect within a circle, then the rectangles formed by the parts of the same chord have equal area. So here AB and CD are the chords intersect at a point P. So here the area of the square equal to area of the rectangle. Okay. Next one. In the picture, chords AB and CD of the circle are extended to meet at P. Prove that the angles of triangle ABC and triangle PBD formed by joining AC and BD are the same. Okay. So here this is the circle. CD and AB are the chords extended to meet at P. So here we have to prove that the angles of triangle ABC and triangle PBD are same. Okay. So for that we have to join AC and BD. Okay. AC and BD. Now ABBC is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Join AC and BD. So ABBC is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So 180 minus x. Okay, so angle BDP equal to x degree. This is linear pair. X degree. Okay, let angle ACD equal to y degree. Angle ACD equal to y degree. So what about angle ABD? This angle here it is y degree. So this will be 180 minus y. Okay, angle ABD equal to 180 minus y. Okay, so angle DBP, this angle also y degree. Angle DBP equal to y degree. Okay, then angle APC equal to angle BPD. In these two triangles, angle APC equal to angle BPD. That is common angle. Angle APC equal to angle BPD. Common angle. Okay, so here in these two triangles, the angles are equal. So in triangle APC and triangle BPD, angle BAC equal to angle BDP. Okay, x degree. Okay, then angle ACD equal to angle TBD. That is why three angles are equal. So all the angles of these triangles are equal. So this is the proof. Next sub-question. Prove that PA into PB equal to PC into PD. Okay. So now we have two triangles, that is triangle PAC and triangle PBD. Okay. From the first sub-question, we got all the angles of these triangles are equal. Okay. So these two triangles are similar triangles. We know that the similar triangles, in similar triangles, the equal angles opposite sides are in proportion. Okay, so we can write PA by PB equal to PC by PB. So from this we can write PA into PB equal to PC into PB. Okay, so the two chords are extended to meet at P. We can write PA into PB equal to PC into PB. Okay, third sub question is prove that if PB equal to PD, then ABPC is an isosceles trapezium. Okay, so from the second sub question, we got PA into PB equal to PC into PD. Okay, then from the first sub question, we know that ABDC is a cyclic coordinate. Okay, here PB equal to PD. So we can write PA into PD equal to PC into PD. So instead of PB, we can write PD. Okay, so from this we can write PA equal to PC. PD and PD cancel. So we can write PA equal to PC. PA equal to PC. So therefore angle A equal to angle C. Okay. So angle A equal to angle C. Let angle CAB equal to x degree. Let angle CAB equal to x. So here it is x. Angle C also x degree. That means angle ACD also x. Okay. Then ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. So angle ABD, that is 180 minus x. Okay. Then angle CDB, that is also 180 minus x. ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles are supplementary. Okay, so angle CAB plus angle ABD equal to 180 degree. Okay, so these two angles are sum is 180 degree. X plus 180 minus x, it is equal to 180 degree. So co-interior angles are supplementary. We can write AC parallel to BD. Okay, so these two angles are supplementary. We can write AC parallel to BD. Okay, then we know that from this question PB equal to PD. PB equal to PD. Then PA equal to PC. PA equal to PC. Therefore, we can write CD equal to AB or AB equal to CD. Okay, AB equal to CD. AC parallel to BD. AB equal to CD. That means these two sides. AB equal to CD. AC parallel to BD. One pair of opposite sides are parallel and the non-parallel sides are equal. Okay. Therefore, ABDC is an isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. Okay, we can move on to the next question. Okay, so in the figure, PA equal to 3 cm, AB equal to 9 cm, PC equal to 4 cm, then find CD. Okay, so here O is the center of the circle and CD and AB are the chords extended to meet at P. So here also we can write PA into PB equal to PC into PD. Okay, so what is given in the question? That is PA equal to 3 cm. Okay, then AB equal to 9 cm. Okay, PC equal to 4 cm. PA equal to 3 cm and AB equal to 9 cm and PC equal to 4 cm. Okay, then PA into PB equal to PC into PB. PA, that is 3 into PB. PB, P to B, that is 9 plus 3. PB equal to 9 plus 3, which is equal to 12 cm. Okay, so 3 into 12 equal to PC. PC equal to 4. 4 into PB, that is we have to find PB. Okay, then 3 2s are 3 12s are 36. So 3 into 12, that is 36 equal to 4 into PB. Okay, so 36 by 4 equal to PB. Therefore, PB equal to 9 cm. Okay, PD equal to 9 cm. That is P to D is 9 cm. Okay, then we have to find out CD. So CD equal to total PD minus PC. PD minus PC, which is equal to 9 minus PD is 9. 9 minus 4, which is equal to 5 centimeters. PC equal to 4 centimeters, so 9 minus 4 equal to 5 centimeters. Therefore, CD equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, let's wind up today's session. So this chapter is over. Some more questions based on construction is left out that we will discuss in the next class. Thank you. Bye.